Now question number 3. A body of mass m 10 power minus 2 kg is moving in a medium and experiences a frictional force F is equal to minus kV square. Its initial speed is V0 is equal to 10 meter per second. If after 10 seconds, t is 10 seconds, the energy is 1 by 8 times m V0 squared. Energy after 10 seconds, 1 by 8 m V0 squared. V0 is 10, of course. Then the value of k will be 4 options. Option 1, 10 power minus 3 kilogram per meter, 10 power minus 3 kilogram per second, 10 power minus 4 kilogram per meter, 10 power minus 1 kilogram per meter per second. So, some data given. What basically you have to find out is the value of k. Okay, we see how to proceed. It's given F is equal to minus kV square, but F is MA, m into dV by dt is minus kV square. Take this m to the other side, dt to the other side, v squared this side. You will get dV by v square is equal to minus k by m dt. So easily now you can guess what we are going to do. What we should do next step? Integrate. So you have to integrate. Integrating both sides. This v square is v power minus 2. On integration, v power minus 2 would be v power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 by v. Integral dv by v square minus 1 by v. Agreed? I am not writing the intermediate steps, I am explaining. So you also should know how to think. So I am not writing all the steps here. Integral dv by v square 1 by v square, 1 by v square v power minus 2. So on integration v power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So denominator minus 1. Numerator v power minus 2 plus 1. So numerator v power minus 1. V power minus 1 in the numerator is 1 by v. On the right side minus k by m into t. Okay. One important thing you should not forget. What is it? Put constant of integration. Definite integral means no need to put the constant of integration. I am taking it as, I am proceeding in such a way that I am using this indefinite integration. So I will put C as the constant of integration. So how to find the constant of integration? You see, when time t is 0, that is initial time. He has given velocity is v0, which is 10. So make t 0, this will vanish. C will remain. Here you have to write minus 1 by v0. Because when time t is 0, v is v0, where v0 is 10 meter per second. Therefore, C will be minus 1 by v0. Of course, you can write v0 as 10 later on. Now you just keep it as v0 only. So I write here as C as minus 1 by v0. Now here minus, here minus, here minus. Simply make everything positive. So 1 by v is k by m into t plus 1 by v0. Don't forget that v0 is 10. Okay? Yeah. Now we see how to proceed further. You are supposed to find k. v0 value you know, m value you know. Provided if you know t and v, You can plug in those two data, you will get K. You know V naught, 10. You know M, 10 power minus 2 kg. You're supposed to find K. Provided if you know T and the corresponding V, substitute, you will get K. To this effect, data is given. What is that? When time T is 10 seconds, kinetic energy is 1 by 8 mv naught squared. So in that case, 1 by 8 mv naught squared, because in this expression only velocity is there, no energy. So find out 1 by 8 mv naught square at time t equal to 10 seconds. So I want to find velocity at 10 seconds. V10, V sub 10, V subscript 10 is the velocity at the end of 10 seconds at time t equal to 10 seconds. So m and m you can cancel. 8 and 2 and 8, so 4. Therefore V10 is V0 by 2. Am I right? Square root. V10 square root of this, square root of this. V0 by 2. V10 is V0 by 2, but V0 is of course 10. Okay, now substitute. This is 1 by V10, that is velocity at the end of 10 seconds. But V10 is V0 by 2, so the 2 will go there, V0 will be here. V0 is 10. K is to be found out. M is 10 power minus 2 kilogram given. T is 10, I told you. 1 by V0. Note that we are supposed to find K. You simplify this. What is it? 2 by V0. We want to find this. Take this to the other side. It is, take this 10 power minus 2 to the numerator. It will become 10 power 3 overall. So 10 power 3 K is equal to 2 by V0 minus 1 by V0, which is 1 by V0. Agreed? Therefore, but V0 is 10. So K is equal to 1 by 10 power 3 V0, but V0 is 10. So 1 by 10 power 4, that is K is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. So option 3 is correct. Unit you don't have to check because there is only one option here with the value 10 power minus 4. If you are interested, you can check the unit also. F is kV square minus kV square. Unit of K is F by V square. F is kilogram meter per second squared. F, mass into acceleration. V square is meter squared per second squared, because this V square will come in the denominator. So second square will get cancelled, one m will get cancelled, so kilogram per meter. Of course you don't have to check in case if question is framed differently in future, then you should know how to check the unit also. Suppose he has given one more option here, 10 power minus 4 kilogram per meter per second. Both 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 4. Units are different. This is kilogram per meter. This is kilogram per meter per second. Kilogram per meter per second. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 4 if it's given, then you should know how to tackle. Very simple. You all will do it. Okay. So what is the correct option? 10 power minus 4. Next question. A time dependent force F is equal to 6T acts on a particle of mass 1 kg. Mass 1 kg. If the particle starts from rest, the work done by the force during the first 1 second will be. Okay? So time t is 1 second. Work done is asked. So you can use work energy theorem. Work energy theorem, and you can find out the work done. What is that? Find increase in kinetic energy. Initial velocity is 0 because they start from rest. You find out the velocity when time t is 1 second. Mass is given. So find energy as he has asked during the first 1 second. So when time t is equal to 1 second, find out the velocity, then find the energy, find the increase in energy, that will be the work done. Understand that you may have to use integration for this purpose, because this force depends on time. So force will vary with respect to time. You have to use integration. Integration also you can either use definite integration or indefinite integration. So I feel it's better if you use indefinite integration, get some equation, you will get more practice. Of course you can even use definite integral and proceed. I want to follow this so that you will get to know the subject more and you will know the mathematics better. See how to do it using indefinite integration. You know f is equal to 60 given. Okay. 60 m into dv by dt is 60. Therefore dv by dt is 6 by m into t, but m is 1 kg. Therefore this is simply 60. dv by dt 60. Therefore dv is equal to 60 dt. On integrating both sides, v is equal to 6t squared by 2 plus c. You will have to put constant of integration because you are using indefinite integration. How to find the constant of integration? Apply the initial condition. What is the initial condition? When time t is 0, velocity is 0. It is at rest. So t 0, velocity 0, 0, 0. Therefore c is equal to 0. So the expression for velocity is simply v is equal to 3t square. Okay, 3t square. Okay, this gives the velocity of the particle at any instant of time. So when time t is equal to 1 second, v is 3 meter per second. Therefore kinetic energy or E final is half mv square. M is again 1 kg. V square is 9, divide, you are getting 4.5. Therefore final energy is 4.5 joule. Initial kinetic energy 0 joule. Use work energy theorem and then the work done should be 4.5 joule. That is the answer. So you see, if you want to have a discussion, this gives you the expression for the velocity of the particle at any instant of time. Therefore, in case if you are interested in the graph, v versus t graph for this particular particle, you can draw the graph. Okay, v and t in seconds, v in meter per second. 1 second, this is 3, 2 seconds, it will be 12, it's parabolic. So this is the graph of velocity versus time. You could have even used definite integral and do it, but here you will have an extra benefit. Now I am just saying, in case if you want to know more about the mathematics involved here, also you will know how to find constant of integration. So the answer is option 1, 4.5 joule. Thank you.